Hello friends, it's Funky Play Brothers, and please remember to subscribe to our YouTube. And today I'm unboxing and reviewing Super 7 Godzilla reaction figure. And this is Godzilla 84. Go watch our half-transformed Mecha Godzilla video. Now this Godzilla is cool because he's green and looks like he has some ketchup on his mouth. They really strapped him in weird with little rubber band thingies. There we go. This Godzilla looks kind of cute. He looks like a little baby Godzilla. His back paint also looks awesome. Now, I rate this Godzilla 10 out of 10. 10 million thumbs ups. I like the articulation on these figures. It's so simple. I also like that his tail can move. I don't think Mechagodzilla's tail could move. And then he does have some ketchup painted on his mouth. So, it could be possible people or could be another kaiju. I don't think I've seen this specific movie that he's from. I have seen Godzilla 84 movies. But I rate this one 10 out of 10. 10 million thumbs ups. It's a cool paint job. The Godzilla looks cute from the front angle. And it's green. It's like the comic Godzilla. Hopefully they actually make the comic Godzilla where he's like that bright yellow green. The original Marvel Comics Godzilla where he's bright yellow green, because that would be cool. And he had the red mouth and the yellow eyes. And the yellow claws too. So friends, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Follow us on social media at the Funky Play Bros or Funky Play Brothers. Support our vlog at cashapp with $, Funky Play Brothers. Thank you for watching. Bye.